Hey there, TikTok enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're diving into an essential topic: how to block someone on TikTok. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Opening TikTok app. The first thing you want to do is open up your TikTok app. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your account. Step 2. Navigating to someone's profile. Now let's navigate to the profile of the user you want to block. You can do this by simply tapping on their username, and it'll take you to their profile page. Step 3. Blocking the user. Alright, here's the magic moment. To block the user, look for this arrow icon right here, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Step 4. Confirming the block. After tapping on the arrow, a menu will pop up. Among the options, you'll see Block. Tap on Block to confirm your decision. Step 5. Block confirmation message. Once you've blocked the user, TikTok will provide you with some information. It says that once blocked, the user won't be able to send you messages, view your posts, or even find your profile. Importantly, they won't be notified that you've blocked them. So it's a discreet way to manage your interactions. Step 6. Troubleshooting. Now, if you don't see the arrow icon on a user's profile, it might mean you need to update your TikTok app. No worries, it's an easy fix. Head over to your App Store or Play Market, search for TikTok, and if the update button is available, just give it a tap to ensure you're using the latest version. You successfully learned how to block someone on TikTok. It's a great way to control your interactions and maintain a positive experience on the platform. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Share it with your fellow TikTokers.